Hello and welcome to the Breakers. It's been a few weeks since I've ventured over here and shown everybody the status of the construction. Since the last time we were here, they've added a couple of floors. So I think we're going to take a walk, get a closer look, and check on the status of the new tower. Let's go that way. I don't know if you can tell, but it is a chilly, windy January day in Myrtle Beach. Very overcast. Not a very fun beach day at all. You can see some curvature on the exterior of the building starting to take form as the layers rise to the sky. That's a lot of steel. So not counting the lobby / whatever the amenity sections are going to be on the first and second floor, just guest rooms alone, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 floors so far of rooms. Again, you can see that curvature that's going to be on the balconies. Indoor water park has its doors shut. Completely understandable due to the chilly wind blowing and gusting around here. I don't see anyone in there right now. I'm not sure what their hours are this time of year, but it is early January, one of the slower times in the Myrtle area. Until next time, everybody, hope you have a good new year and take it easy.